Hey, if you want to create backup on the Pixel 7 Pro, first you have to open the settings, then on the search settings tab and type backup. Click right here. As you can see, we have to go for the system. The backup appears right here. That's the backup by the Google one, so we have to enable it by tapping on the switcher. And that's also the backup details, so apps, photos and videos, messages, call history, all device settings, and also all Google account data. You can also enable to backup by using mobile data or the Wi-Fi. And to do this, you have to just click here to backup now. Click to confirm. Right now, just wait for the process. Input your screen lock method. As you can see right now, it is backing up our data. So the process will take few hours. Sometimes if you have a lot of data, that's the information that appears in my case. But yeah, as you can see in my case, the backup is finished. And that's how it looks. Bye bye.